There is much talking about generative AI, but how good is it? In this module, I will give you examples of images and text generated by AI and see how they can be indistinguishable from reality. AI models have to be trained, which means exposing them and learning from lots of data. In this case, the model was instructed to generate a set of faces. Can you tell which face or faces are fake? Pause the video here and try to guess which face is real or fake. One particular face will be easy to spot, but what about the others? You might be surprised to learn that the only real face is the one on the left. The model generating the last 3 fake images did better than the cartoon-like face because the model was more advanced and because it saw more faces during its training. The model generating the second image did not learn enough and could only create an approximation of the concept of face. The real face belongs to the computer scientist Seppo Linnainmaa, who was the first to introduce the concept that is now known as backpropagation, which revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence, specifically in the training of neural networks. As AI becomes better at creating fake images, it will become much more complicated for humans to spot AI-generated images. Luckily, researchers are developing tools to detect AI-generated content. In addition to images, generative AI tools, as we learned in the previous module, are excellent at creating text. As we did before, pause the video here and try to identify which version of the text was generated by a machine. It is practically impossible to distinguish between the two. The text on the left was written by a person, while the one on the right was AI generated. It is not hard to have generative AI write an entire email or even a whole book chapter, given the proper information and instructions. The instructions provided to the generative model are called prompts. Prompt engineering refers to refining prompt text that can be interpreted and understood by a generative AI model. Models that generate textual output are called large language models, LLMs for short. ChatGPT is an example of such a model. ChatGPT is such a revolution because it understands complex cognitive processes like humor. When I saw this example, it left me speechless. Humor is so hard to understand as it taps into deep cultural roots and unusual syntactic and semantic expressions. Yet, ChatGPT had no problem understanding it visually. That is a feat for which I cannot say enough. From a prompt, AI can even create a video in which a realist avatar can narrate the given text. Next, I will show you how large language models work, as only by understanding the inner workings of such models can you see the issues and opportunities.
I will see you next.